Hi everyone, myself Kantraj Achiri, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College for Women, Kernagar. In this session, we are going to discuss on examples on vector subspaces. Let's see some examples of vector subspaces. First one is let W is equal to let of all A1, A2, 0 such that A1, A2 are elements of field R is a subset of R3. Next we need to check is it a subspace or not. Clearly 0 is equals to A1, A2 belongs to R. Suppose A1 ಮತ್ತು A2 ನಾವು 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ which implies that what we have 0, 0, 0 is belongs to W. 0, 0, 0 belongs to W, which implies that W is non-empty subspace. W is a non-empty subset of R3. Next, we need to check the criterion for subspace. To check the criterion for space, I have to need two scalar A, B belongs to R and two elements alpha and beta from W. Since W contains triplets such that A1, A2, 0 where A1, A2 belongs to R, I choose alpha as a x1, y1, x1, x2, 0 and beta equals y1, y2, 0 where x1, x2, y1, y2 are elements of R. Then what need to I consider? A alpha plus B beta belongs to which one? That is A into alpha means x1, x2, 0 plus B into beta means y1, y2, 0 which is equals to, since x1, x2, 0 are the elements of real numbers and A is also element of real number, we can multiply them as A x1, A x2, 0 plus B y1, B y2, 0. So add them coordinate wise, that is Ax1 plus B y1, Ax2, Ax2 plus B y2, 0 plus 0 which is equals to Ax1 plus B y1, Ax2 plus B y2, 0. So what we take? x1, x2, y1, y2 are non-zero scalars of R. Similarly, A and B also non-zero scalars of R. Therefore, Ax1 plus B y1 is not also equals to 0. Similarly, Ax2 plus B y2 is not equals to 0. Only third coordinate equals to 0. This one is same as the our W element A1, A2, 0. Therefore, this is an element of W. Since W satisfies the criterion for subspace, that is A alpha plus B beta belongs to W. For every alpha and beta, we conclude that W is a subspace of R3. So let's see the one more example. Let R be a real field and W is equal to set of all x comma 2y comma 3z such that x, y, z belongs to R. Then show that W is a subspace of R3. This one solution is also very simple. That is, if x, y, z, I take them as a 0, then x comma 2y comma 3z is equals to 0 comma 0 comma 0, which is an element 0 comma 0 comma 0 belongs to W, which implies that 0 comma 0 comma 0 belongs to W, which implies that W is a non-empty subset of R3. So non-empty subset ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತೋರಿಸಾಯ್ತು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಾವೇನೋ subspace to criteria na verify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is that criteria? The criteria to verify the subspace is A alpha plus B beta is an element of W for all A comma B belongs to R and alpha comma B belongs to W. So we need two scalars and two vectors. Therefore, I take A comma B belongs to R as a scalar and alpha as a x1 comma 2y1 comma 3z1 and second vector beta as a x2 comma 2y2 comma 3z2. Next, consider A alpha plus B beta. So which is equals to A into alpha value no x1 comma 2y1 comma 3z1 plus B into beta value no x2 comma 2y2 comma 3z2, which is equals to multiply A with all coordinates of first vector. We get ax1 comma a2y1 comma a3z1 plus similarly in second term also we get bx2 comma 2by2 comma 3bz2. Now add these two vectors coordinate wise. I get ax1 plus bx2. Next 2ay1 plus 2by2. 3az1 plus 3bz2, which is equals to ax1 plus bx2 is non-zero elements of R, because if a b not equals to 0 and x1 x2 not equals to 0, ax1 plus bx1 also non-zero, plus 2 times of ay1 plus by2 comma 3 times of az1 plus bz2. Observe the last term. This one is same, looks like x1 into 2y into 3z form. This looks like x 2y form and 3z form. Therefore, this is again an element of W. Hence, we can conclude that W is a subspace of R3. Let's see one more example, that is W is equal to set of all x1 comma x2 comma x3, again it is triplet, plus such that x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equals to 0. x1, x2, x3 belongs to field R. Then what we need to prove? Here W is a subspace of R3. Prove that W is subspace of R3. Condition is that it is a triplet which satisfies the condition sum of all the coordinate is equals to 0. Then if x1 is equals to x2 is equals to x3 is equals to 0, which implies that 0 plus 0 plus 0 is again a 0. Therefore, W 0 vector belongs to W. W is a non-empty subset of R3. Next, we need to verify a criterion for subspace, that is A alpha plus B beta belongs to W. For this, we need two scalar A comma B belongs to R and alpha is x1 comma x2 comma x3 and beta as y1 comma y2 comma y3. These two are an element of W. So alpha is equals to x1 comma x2 comma x3 is an element W, which implies that sum of these coordinate is equals to 0. Similarly, beta belongs to W implies that y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equals to ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, next I consider A alpha plus B beta is equals to A into alpha means x1 comma x2 comma x3 plus B into beta value y1 comma y2 comma y3, which is equals to ax1 comma ax2 comma ax3 plus by1 comma by2 comma by3. Now add this element coordinate wise. ax1 plus by1 comma ax2 plus by2 comma ax3 plus by3 we get. Now we have to verify is this coordinate satisfy our condition x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. Therefore, I consider sum of all the coordinates, that is ax1 plus by1 plus ax2 plus by2 plus ax3 plus by3, which is equals to a times of x1 plus x2 plus x3. So ಈ ಮೂರು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ we get a times of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus, so coefficients b has 3 So plus into plus b into y1 plus y2 plus y3, which is equals to a into this value is 0 plus b into this value is 0, which is equals to 0, which implies that a alpha plus b beta is an element of W. Is an element of W. Therefore, we say W is a subspace of R3. W is a subspace of R3. Next one, check W is equals to set of triplets x1, x2, x3 such that x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square is equals to 1, is less than or equals to 1, where all x1, x2, x3 are belongs to real numbers, is a subspace of V3 of R. V3 of R ಗೆ W subspace ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. So to verify this, I consider special case, that is, let alpha is equals to 1, 0, 0, then 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square is equals to 1, which is less than or equals to 1, which implies that alpha belongs to W. Similarly, another one, beta as 0, 1, 0, then 0 square plus 1 square plus 0 square is again a 1, which is less than or equals to 1, which implies that beta also is an element of W. Then I consider a vector addition of these two vectors, that is alpha plus beta is 1, 0, 0 plus 0, 1, 0. By adding this vector, I get 1, 1, 0. Then apply the condition, that is 1 square plus 1 square plus 0 square is equals to 2, which is not less than or equals to 1, which implies that alpha plus beta not belongs to W. Hence, W is not closed under vector addition. Vector addition ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು close ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, which implies that W is not a subspace of V3 of R. These are some examples for subspaces. Thank you.